Hi guys, in front of me is HTC Desire 22 Pro, and let me show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select security right here, and then click on fingerprint. Now you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern, draw the pattern, tap on next, re-enter it just to confirm, and then decide how you wish to manage your notification content. So you can show it all, you can hide sensitive content, or you can hide everything, and this is what I would like to pick. Then click on done, tap on more, tap on I agree, and now it's time to touch the sensor to add your fingerprint. So the sensor is this one, and now you just need to keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Just lift your finger up and then place it on the sensor to fully add your fingerprint. And that's it. Now just tap on done, and from now on you'll be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Obviously you can use the backup pattern also. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.